Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Afterpay in Expedia. So the first thing you need to do is to open Afterpay website. So go to any browser, type in afterpay.com, and then you will access Afterpay website. After you go there, search for Expedia. Once you search for it, it's going to come out as the first store. So as you can see, it's on there. So you click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to their website. So from here, you will choose your trip information, such as where you're going to and also the dates you are traveling on. So once you do that, you will have the options that you can choose from. So choose the hotel that you prefer. And once you choose it, it's going to ask you to confirm the room that you want to get. And then you will have two options for payment. So you can pay now or you can pay when you get there. So you choose to pay now. And after that, it's gonna take you to a page where you need to fill in your details and also to choose your payment method. As you can see from here that you will be paying using Afterpay. It's going to take you to Afterpay website to complete the payment for you. So basically, this is how to use Afterpay in Expedia.